Hello friends, welcome to the video. In this video I am going to discuss about rank of a matrix. So it is very important concept in view of university examinations. So let us understand in detail what is rank and how to find rank of any matrix. Let us go with the definition. Rank of a matrix. Let A is a non-zero matrix. R is the rank of A. So rank is denoted by small r. R is the rank of A if there are two conditions. There exists at least one rth order minor of A which is not 0. Second condition, every r plus 1th order minor of A is 0. Okay. Maybe by statements it is difficult to understand. So let us understand well with the example. Okay. So then if A is a null matrix, then the rank of A is 0. The rank of the matrix is denoted by row of A. We are using Greek letter rho. Okay. So row of A. So rank of A is denoted by the symbol row of A. Okay. Then we are having few properties of rank. First one, every matrix will have a rank. So each and every matrix having a rank. Second, rank of a matrix is unique. Okay. Suppose let us take example. Suppose rank of matrix A is 3. So rank of a given matrix is 3 will be. Okay. So it will not alter and it will not change at any time. Then third, rank of a identity matrix In is n. Suppose rank of identity matrix of order 3, I3. Okay, I3 means its rank is 3. Suppose rank of identity matrix of order 2, then rank is also 2. Then next, rank of a null matrix is 0. So suppose all the entries of the matrix are 0 means obviously the rank is 0. Then next, rank of A is greater than or equals to 1 when A is non-zero matrix. If the given matrix is non-zero matrix, then only the rank is always greater than or equals to 1. Then next, if A is a rectangular matrix of order m cross n, then the rank of A is less than or equals to, that is minimum of m comma n. Suppose order of the matrix is 3 cross 4. So which is minimum value, 3 or 4? So obviously 3. So 3 means the rank it may be equals to 3 or less than 3. That is the meaning. If the matrix is rectangular matrix. Suppose the matrix is 2 cross 3. So then minimum of 2 and 3 is 2. Then rank of the matrix is either 2 or less than 2. That is the meaning. Okay, next. If rank of A is equals to R, then every minor of A of order R plus 1 or more is 0. Okay. So I will explain this point while solving problems. Next. If A is a matrix of order n and A is a non-singular, that is determinant of A value is not equals to 0 means, then rank of A is equals to n. Okay. So let us understand in detail how to find rank of a matrix with the help of example. Okay. Let us take one example. Matrix A is equals to -1, 0, 6, 3, 6, 1, -5, 1, 3. Yeah. Now I need to find rank of this matrix. Okay, that is our task. So here all the entries are 0 or non-zero. If all the entries are 0 means the rank is 0. But here the matrix contains non-zero rows. right? So then how to find rank of a matrix? Usually we are having three methods or more than three methods to find rank of a matrix. So the very basic method is determinant method. So I am listing few methods to find rank of matrix. So first is determinant method, second is echelon form, so this is very important method. Then third, normal form, are also called as canonical form. Fourth, PAQ method, and so on. We are having several methods. So mainly here we are focusing on determinant method, echelon method, normal or canonical form, then PAQ methods of finding rank of a matrices. So let us find rank of this matrix by determinant method. So what is determinant method? Let us understand here. Here the matrix, given matrix of order 3 cross 3. Then rank of this matrix. So rank of the matrix means it is denoted by the symbol rho. That is rank of matrix. Okay, this is question mark. We don't know. So then determinant method means here we know the order of the matrix. So order of the matrix is 3 cross 3. Then you remember rank of the matrix may be equals to 3 or less than 3. Okay. Then how to find less than 3 means what are the possibilities? Possibilities is either rank may be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. 4 possibilities. Out of 4, the rank of A is never be equals to 0 because the given matrix is non-zero. Then there are three possibilities, either rank 1, 2, 3. So let us identify. So to identify that, you find determinant value of the given matrix. Okay. So let us find its determinant of A is equals to. So let us apply determinant -1, 0, 6, 3, 6, 1, -5, 1, 3. So if you solve this, determinant of A equals to, so here you are taking plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. Then here, so plus into minus becomes minus, so that you can write -1 into 18 minus 1 minus 0 into 9 plus 5 plus 6 into 3 plus 30. So if you solve this, determinant of A is equals to -17 minus 0 plus 6 into 33, which gives the final value, that is det A value is 181. Yeah, so here determinant value is 181. 181 means this is non-singular, so its value is not equals to 0. When its value is not equals to 0 means here we can decide the rank of the matrix. Here what is determinant A? Determinant A is nothing but minor, so we have taken minor of order 3 cross 3, right? Therefore we can conclude that since the minor of order 3 minor of order 3 cross 3 is not equals to 0, then it means that we can conclude rank of a matrix is 3. Yeah, so rank of a matrix is 3. Then in what case rank of the matrix is 2 or 1? So here fortunately we got determinant value is 181. Suppose if you get here determinant value 0, so if the determinant value of A is 0, then you need to check. So if determinant value is 0 means definitely the rank is less than 3, not 3, less than 3. Then less than 3 means the possibilities are 1 and 2. Then again you are going with second order minor. Here we checked for third order minor because the given matrix is 3 cross 3. So suppose the determinant value is equals to 0, then you are choosing the minor of 2 cross 2. So minor of 2 cross 2 means you take the minor of any element. So you already knows what is minor meaning. Okay, minor means you delete any row or any column. Suppose minor of 1, here minor of 1 is, if you delete first row first column, 6 1 1 3, this is the minor of -1. So you find 6 minor, that is determinant value of 6 1 1 3, that is 2 cross 2. Then any one minor is not equals to 0. You can check, you need to check for all the minors, minor of -1, minor of 0, minor of 6, minor of 3, like that. So for each and every element you are checking its determinant value of order 2 cross 2. Any single minor value of 2 cross 2, its determinant value is not equals to 0, then we can decide rank of a matrix is 2. Suppose all the minor values are equals to 0. Okay, you are understanding? If all the minors of order 2 cross 2, all the determinant values are equals to 0, then the rank of the matrix is 1. Okay, so let us understand with one more example. So now let us take the second one. So this is your first problem. So in second problem, let us discuss the rank. Yeah, here I am taking second problem. The given matrix is 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 5 6. Yeah, in this matrix I wanted to find rank of this matrix. Again, here rank of the matrix is never be equals to 0. Then the possibilities are, here the given matrix is 3 cross 3. Then rank, it may be, we may get rank 1 or rank 2 or rank 3. Okay, first you apply determinant for the given matrix, because given matrix of order 3 cross 3. If determinant value of 3 cross 3 matrix is not equals to 0, then 3 is the rank. If determinant value of this matrix is equals to 0, then we need to check the minors of order 2 cross 2. Okay, so first of all let us apply here the given matrix. Let us take it as A. Okay, let A is equals to the given matrix. I am writing one more time: 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 5 6. Let us apply determinant. So determinant of A is equals to determinant of 1 2 3 3 4 5 4 5 6. Now determinant of A is equals to, so here you take plus minus plus sign, then plus 1 of plus 1 of 24 minus 25 minus 2 into 18 minus 20 plus 3 into 15 minus 16. So if you solve this, determinant of A value is minus 1 plus 4 minus 3, which gives 0. Means what is the determinant value? Determinant of A value is equals to 0. So determinant of A value is 0 means definitely the rank of the matrix is less than 3. So rank of A is less than 3. Less than 3 means there are two possibilities, either 1 or 2. So let us investigate further. Now for next further investigation, you need to choose minor of any element of order 2 cross 2. So let us choose the minor of first element. Okay, so what is your minor of 1? So here minor of 1 is, minor of 1 means you delete first row and first column, then the elements are 4, 5, 5, 6. So if you find here 4 6 ja 24 minus 5 5 ja 25. 5 5 ja 25. Means here 24 minus 25 gives minus 1. So minus 1 means this is not equals to 0. So then here any one of the minor of order 2 cross 2 is not equals to 0, then the rank of the matrix is 2. Then here we can decide directly rank of the given matrix is 2. Okay, suppose if you get equals to 0, then you need to check for one more minor. So usually you are getting 9 minors. Suppose the given matrix is 3 cross 3 means you are getting 9 minors. So if any one of the minor is not equals to 0, then its rank is 2. If all the minors are equals to 0, then the rank is 1. Okay, I hope from this you understood how to find rank of a matrix by determinant method. So now I am giving you one more example. You please try to work out and find the rank of a matrix. So your third example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 last row 8 7 0 5. Yeah, you need to find rank of this matrix. So here first of all you write the order. Order is 3 cross 4. So you are having one point. What is the point? Rank of the matrix A is equals to minimum of less than or equals to minimum of 3 comma 4, that is m comma n. So here minimum is 3, then definitely the rank of A is less than or equals to 3. Then less than or equals to 3 means you need to take the minor of order 3 cross 3, then verify. So you take minor of order 3 cross 3. So if its value, its determinant value is not equals to 0, then rank is 3. Suppose all the minor of order 3 cross 3, its determinant value is equals to 0, then you go to matrix determinant of A of order 2 cross 2. Then check its determinant value. If the determinant value is not equals to 0, then the rank is 2. If the determinant value of 2 cross 2 minors are equals to 0, then the rank of matrix A is 1. So you please try to verify with this example. So if you solve this, the answer is rank of this matrix is equals to 3. So you please try to get this answer. So rank of this matrix is 3 means definitely if you take minor of order 3 cross 3, okay, you delete any column. So if you delete any column, you just try to take the submatrix of order 3 cross 3, then find its determinant value. So definitely any one of the minor of order 3 cross 3 is not equals to 0 means its rank is 3. Okay, thank you for watching the video.